I think we've now got a pretty good idea of the basics of JSX. Remember, one of the most important things to keep in mind is how we can print out some JavaScript variable inside of our JSX by using those curly braces. Just to make sure that we really understand what's going on, the next video or the next section is going to have a quick exercise for you to work on. This is going to be pretty straightforward. It's just going to make sure that you understand the basics. Because this is our first exercise, I want to very quickly show you what's going on inside of it. So I'm going to pull it on the screen here very quickly. All right, so this is the exercise editor. You're going to see this in the next section when you go to it. At the very top are some directions about what you're supposed to do in this problem. And then you're going to enter or edit some of the code down here. Now you'll notice that the code down here, after I zoom in on it, has a lot of extra code that we haven't really spoken about a whole bunch, such as the script thing right here. And then if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see some other kind of nasty stuff. All that extra stuff you see in here is basically just to get React working in this little test environment of sorts. So in order to solve this problem, you only have to really change one single line of code. So don't worry about doing any import statements or any require statements or anything like that. Just focus on the problem statement up here and making sure that you solve exactly what it's asking for. Once you've got a solution put together, you can then click on Check Solution down there, and you should be good to go. Now, of course, we'll go over a solution together after you give this thing an attempt. So let's pause right here, give this thing a shot. If you have any trouble with it, don't sweat it, just move on to the next video, and we'll talk about the solution together.